Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today this is what's jumping in my pot: roasted lamb with gravy. Let's get to the ingredients: all purpose flour, salt, black pepper, olive oil, minced garlic, whole cloves of garlic, butter, chopped rosemary leaves, fresh rosemary, beef broth, and of course, the lamb. I've already washed it and rinsed it several times. I washed it in lemon juice. Now let's prepare the lamb for roasting. We sprinkle some salt, black pepper, olive oil, the minced rosemary leaves, and the garlic. Then we rub all of this into the lamb. Massage it in really good. Let me wash my hands from the oil. I have a cast iron pot here that I'm going to roast the garlic in. We add the bulbs of garlic to the bottom, along with the rosemary, and we add the lamb. Then we cover it up and put it in the oven and let it roast for an hour. Well, I've taken the lamb out of the oven and I have it resting. Now we're going to make the gravy. But first thing we got to do is take out the whole sprigs of rosemary. I've taken all the sprigs of rosemary out of the pot. Now this is what we do next. We mash up the garlic. Then we turn the stove on medium low. Then we add the butter to the pot and the flour. Then we use a whisk and whisk it up together till it melted. We cook the flour for about 1 minute to get the raw flour taste out of it. Now we're going to slowly pour the beef broth in it and keep whisking as we pour. We're going to keep whisking it until it forms a thick gravy. We whisk it to keep the lumps out of it. Now that the gravy is ready, we have to strain it. I'm using this mesh strainer. I've plated the lamb up and look at the gravy jumping all over the lamb roast. There you have it, roasted lamb with gravy. I'm serving it with red skin roasted potatoes. Enjoy. And always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. And also, don't forget to ring that notification bell, and that way you will always know when there's a new video coming out. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.